that we've talked about radial symmetry, we're going to get to make two radial patterns with white paper and black paper. Now, along with making radial symmetry, we're also going to be talking about positive space versus negative space. So we're going to start out using one of these. You're going to fold it in half, then fold it in half again. I would recommend opening it up and folding it the opposite way so the creases are really in your paper. And then you're going to start adding positive space to this. So your negative space is the background. Your positive space is going to be the black paint in which you add to. So you're going to start out painting in this first square, and you're going to start in the middle and work your way out to make this radial symmetry, a radial pattern, which starts in the center and works its way out. So I'm going to start, and you can just add any design you want. Okay, the next step to this is you're going to take this and you're going to fold it so it will transfer over. So I'm folding it and I'm going to rub. When you open it back up, it should transfer over. Then I'm going to open it and I'm going to fold it down. Make sure that when you fold down for your second fold, you want to really rub on every part of your image. Next, open it up, and you should have a radial pattern, radial symmetry. Now, if it didn't quite show up on this side, you can go back over it just so it will look more like radial symmetry. Now we're using paint, so it's not going to be perfect. And there you've got radial symmetry. Now we know that the positive space is the black paint, and the negative space is the space that we didn't use, so that would be the white paper. We're going to do the complete opposite on the black paper. So start off the same way, fold it in half, and then fold it in half again. Now on this one, you can make a completely different design, so just as long as you start in the center and work your way out. When you do your paintings, you want to try to use your time wisely, just so the paint doesn't dry out before you even do your first fold. If you really want to make sure that it's perfectly symmetrical, you can go in and you can repaint this entire side just so it's really wet. Now the positive space would be the white paint and the negative space would be the black background. Once you're at this stage, you want to make sure that your name is on both of them. You're going to put them in the drying rack, and then next class period we are going to mat them onto a colored sheet of your choice. Before you do that, you want to make sure that you sign it like an artist. So on the black paper, you're going to use a black Sharpie and write your name in the bottom right hand corner. And then with a white pencil, you're going to write your name in the bottom right hand corner on the black paper. And there you've got your two radial patterns showing radial symmetry.